Hi, today we're going to see how to create a knockout text effect in Photopea. So the first thing I need to do is to write my text. So select the text tool, this one here, type tool, left click, and now I'm going to change the size to 450. And for the font, I'm going to choose Anton. So this one here. So here it is, and I'm going to left click. And now I'm going to type my text. I'm just going to change the color of the text here. So I'm just going to turn it to white, press OK. So here it is. Then I'm going to select the move tool here, and now I'm just going to place it here like this, in the center, so you can find the guides here, you can see the guides. And now I'm going to create a rectangle, so left click here, select rectangle. Now I'm just going to cover my text like this, so here it is. And now just select the move tool here to confirm it. And now I'm going to place my text right behind, place my rectangle right behind the text. And now I'm going to center the text here with the rectangle here. So I'm just going to select both layers and then click here and then click here. So here it is. And now just select the text layer, this one here, and then hold the control key and then just left click to make selection. So here's our selection. Just created the selection here, and now select the layer, the rectangle layer, and then just, for example, here, if I press delete key, it won't be able to delete. Just for example, so here it is. You need to rasterize the layer, so right click, rasterize. And now I'm just going to type the delete key. So here it is. If I hide my text, so here it is, and I'm going to select deselect to remove the selection. And now, for example, the black color is not quite good, so I'm just going to invert the color here of the rectangle. I'm just going to go to image adjustments and then invert. So here it is. And I'm just going to merge down. So here it is. That's how you can create a knockout text effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.